Finally, we look at this TC21 ice crystal titanium and TC4 ice crystal titanium. What is the difference between their appearance? First of all, this TC21 ice crystal titanium, the surface is very textured, and then more delicate. Above the ice flower it is relatively small. Then this TC4 ice crystal titanium, the surface of the ice flower is relatively large. I combined the knife to give you a look at the side. It is very clear to see. See this? This depends on personal preference. The left is this TC21, the right is this more obvious, and then ice crystal titanium. Words are more suitable to do ice crystal titanium, ice crystal titanium. Do that ocean pole. Here to show you a few. The picture after the ocean pole. If you are interested, you can go to buy. And then go to the ocean pole. Ocean pole, some of their favorite color. I took one and made it purple. I'll put it in the comments section. Show everyone.